This is the Schoolinks lesson for the high school and beyond plan. In your Schoolinks dashboard, it will be on your to-do list, but you can also click on Plan and then High School and Beyond Plan. This is where it's located. It will start off yellow, pending completion, and you will press Start Plan. That will open up your screen that shows all of the things you need to complete for your high school and beyond plan, but it's honestly pretty quick. For example, it here explains what is the high school and beyond plan, and you simply click Next. After that, it is the career interest survey. If you've already finished that, which you should have done in your orientation process, your results will actually display here, and I have a screenshot of that coming in the slide deck. So let's take a look at this. There we go. I went through and got that caught up really quickly so you could see what it looks like. So it tells you your personality profile and your helpful traits. Again, that should already be filled in for you because you should have already completed that assessment during onboarding. So you'll go ahead and press Next. This is you checking over everything that is already completed and then just adding a few more notes. So same here for career and education goals. These should all be filled in based on the activities that you have done in Schoolinks this year, but if any are missing, go ahead and fill those in now. So now you can see them completely filled in. These again should have already been filled in from your activities. I just filled them in real quick so you could see an example of it's finished. It's also in the slide deck. So far all we've done is review things we've already put into Schoolinks. Now it says review your current goal and confirm that it's still what you want to do. Again, this will be filled in for you. So let's take a look at that. Here we go. So it is all filled in. For the example up above, I had chosen accounting as the career, so we can see that that is now listed and it has the information about it. So again, we're still in review mode. For graduation pathway, you already set this in another spot in a different lesson, so you can just go ahead and click select pathway and choose the same thing you chose before. If it's changed, feel free to update it and say why that's going to help you and press Next. Then for the resume, that part is a little bit different. So we've already done an activity where we updated our profile, and seniors, you already downloaded your resume. So if you're in 8th, 9th, 10th, or 11th grade, you're simply going to click the Edit Profile button if you need to. If everything's already up to date, you can simply keep it on Use Profile. So again, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th, you're going to use Profile, and you can edit it here if you need to. Seniors, you're going to click Use File Upload, and you're going to put your resume right there because you've already downloaded your resume. If you want to download it again, it's here for you. So you could download it here and then upload it right there. Go ahead and press Next, so it marks it complete. Here you're acknowledging that you've done all the things you were supposed to do. So read that box and then click Yes. And finally is the financial aid awareness. You have to complete a little form. For 8th through 12th grade, hopefully you've completed all the lessons up to your grade level. If you're a senior, you're agreeing that you've learned about College Bound and FAFSA and WASFA, so you'll hopefully be able to click Yes. If you're not a senior, you'll click this one right here. Down here, read through, review the College Bound information that was part of your financial aid lessons so that you can click Yes. And then here, review the information about FAFSA and WASFA so you can click You Acknowledge. And then you submit that form. It does say complete here and incomplete here, which is kind of weird, but once you press the submit button right here, it will change to green. So even though it looked like a lot to do, it was actually just reviewing everything you've done in Schoolinks all year long, making sure everything's accurate and complete. So, and then this little acknowledgement form. So now that we have that all done, we're going to press Submit Plan. It's going to pop up and ask us to put our signature in. My student demo is named Colin Terry, so that's what I'm putting there. And submit. Now, the student part has turned green because it's submitted. and the staff and guardian have turned yellow, they are pending approval. You can scroll down and see everything that you submitted. It's all here. Everything that you did. And then back up at the top, if you need to edit anything, you'll use this little pencil icon. And then you're going to want to download a copy of this so you can turn it into Canvas. So when you press the download button, choose printable PDF. That will make it pop up here in your notifications. It says your request is ready. Click to download. And then if you want to open it, you can, if you want to review it. But now it's a PDF in your downloads folder and it's ready to turn into Canvas. So you can scroll through here, you can see all the things. The first page is like a summary. Second page will be a nice looking resume. My student demo is blank. And the third page is all the financial aid stuff. So that is it for the high school and beyond plan. Congratulations on finishing this Schoolinks year. Seniors, best wishes as you transition to become alumni. 8th grade through 11th grade, we will continue Schoolinks next year, but you will have way less lessons to do, especially juniors and seniors. So congratulations, thank you so much, and have a wonderful rest of your year.